How to download the Zelle app in Nigeria. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to download the Zelle app in Nigeria. Zelle is a great way to send and receive money to friends and family, and it's especially useful if you have loved ones living in the United States. But before we get started, I want to take a moment to address the elephant in the room. Zelle is not officially available in Nigeria. However, there is a workaround that you can use to download and use the app. I want to be clear that I am not endorsing or condoning the use of Zelle in Nigeria. This method is not officially supported by Zelle, and there is a risk that your account could be suspended or terminated. With that said, let's get started. Step 1. Download the APK file. The first step is to download the APK file for the Zelle app. An APK file is an Android installation package, and it allows you to install apps that are not available on the Google Play Store. There are a few different ways to download the APK file for Zelle. One option is to search for Zelle APK on Google. You should be able to find a number of websites that offer the file. Important, be sure to download the APK file from a reputable source. There are a lot of fake APK files out there that could contain malware. Step 2. Install the APK file. Once you have downloaded the APK file, you need to install it on your phone. To do this, go to your phone settings menu and select Security. Then, enable the option to install apps from unknown sources. Once you have enabled this option, you can go to your phone's file manager and locate the APK file. Tap on the file to install it. Step 3. Create a Zelle account. Once the app is installed, you can create a Zelle account. To do this, open the app and tap on the Sign Up button. You will need to provide your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to create a password. Once you have created your account, you will need to link it to your bank account. This can be done by entering your bank account information or by linking your Zelle account to your debit card. Step 4. Start using Zelle. Once you have linked your bank account, you can start using Zelle to send and receive money. To send money, simply enter the recipient's email address or phone number and the amount you want to send. To receive money, you will need to provide your recipient with your Zelle email address or phone number. The recipient will then be able to send you money using the Zelle app. That's it. That's how to download and use the Zelle app in Nigeria. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Please note, this method is not officially supported by Zelle, and there is a risk that your account could be suspended or terminated. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact Zelle customer support. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.